Already started, beta. Utsav is already there. Jayesh, Utsav and all, everybody has entered.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Children, ready with your copies?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
Just let me mark your attendance. Give me 1 minute. I'll mark you. I'll just write your names. Until then, let's wait for others to join. Otherwise, they're like, ma'am, what are you doing? What is going on? Okay, we'll start after 1 minute. Till where did we do yesterday?
Ma'am, today we have to start answer in detail first question.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday we have discussed to leave. Ma'am, we have only written the question of answer in detail, question number 1.
All right.
Ma'am, we have written only question 1.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, not answer.
So what is question number 1? Let me see. Question number 1 is, name the 7 sister states and list each of their boundaries. Now, have you written the names of the states?
Yes,
Names
ma'am.
of the 7 sister states?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. The 7 sister states are...
Ma'am, I have written this only, ma'am, the 7 sister states are.
The 7 sister states are...
मैम दूसरा बदलवा रही हूँ पर ये करवाया
Which are the 7 sister states? Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, I will type. Yes, good idea. Very, very good idea. Long one.
हाँ कहाँ से टूट गया
आप कैसे ही कह रहे थे काशी
Varun, better mute yourself.
यस मैडम
Children, it's and Tripura. By mistake, I have written ANS Tripura. Okay, it's and Tripura.
Ma'am, I have written the answer.
This is not complete answer.
Okay, ma'am.
The boundaries of these states.
Ma'am, I have joined us because of network. So please tell me what.
Ma'am, your audio is muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your audio is muted.
The boundaries of these states are as follows. Can you see in the chat box, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Tripura hyphen. That means Tripura is bordered by Bangladesh on 3 sides. Correct?
Yes.
Then let's come to Manipur. Now, Devare, you were asking what we are doing. You have joined the meeting late. We are doing long answers. And I have typed answer number 1 in the chat box, which I am sending again.
Ma'am, this is the full answer.
Yes, this is the full answer. This long answer is really long answer. Sometimes long answers are so short.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam are not bordered.
Why?
Ma'am, I have done already.
Yes, Arunachal Pradesh is not bordered.
Ma'am, and Assam also.
Assam is bit of central, no? Assam has got these states on all its 4 sides. So it does not share its international boundary with any of the countries.
Okay, ma'am.
Abhimanyu, have you done? Abhimanyu,
Yes, ma'am, I am doing.
you're doing?
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am,
All
I
right.
already done.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Good. I'll wait. Do it.
Ma'am, please send again.
Ma'am, please send all the borders with this state again.
I have sent.
Yes, ma'am.
Dev Arya, I have just sent.
Ma'am,
please.
I am saying that all again, ma'am, because I was disconnected.
I am sending on WhatsApp.
Yes, Anshuman has sent. No, don't send it on WhatsApp. Utsav.
Okay, ma'am.
The class is going on here on Zoom. Why to use WhatsApp now? Now, listen, children, those who've got weak connections, please take a screenshot of this answer. Okay, and then write so that you don't have to ask again and again. And who is this student with the name of Pooja Rai? Okay, it was Devansh Rai. Devansh Rai, please open your camera. I want to see who you are. I have never seen you. Devansh Rai. See, I'm seeing you for the first time. You don't attend your classes, beta?
Ma'am, I have seen him many times.
Because you are classmates. Last year also you were there in this school, or you're a newcomer?
No, ma'am. He is an old student.
He's an old student. Okay. So certainly you people know him, but I'm seeing him for the first time. And even Krishna Jaiswal. Who is Krishna Jaiswal? I don't remember your face.
Ma'am, he is a new student.
Krishna, please open your camera. Krishna, okay. So you're a new student here in SR.
Yes, ma'am.
Why have you again put your camera off? Beta, put it on. Yes. Which school are you from?
Ma'am, after.
Which school do you come from? Are you from Bareilly?
Yes, ma'am.
Which school were you in?
Ma'am, after or before?
Beta, right now you are in SR International. Before SR, in
Yes,
which
ma'am.
school were you in? In which?
Ma'am, Madras, India.
Madhav India. Okay, now keep your camera on only. Don't put it off.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you written this
Okay, ma'am.
answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Children, all of you have done question number 1.
No, ma'am.
Okay, those who have done, please write question number 2 in your copies. Be ready with question number 2.
Ma'am, I have.
Now this question, write a note on Nagaland. You have to do it yourself.
Ma'am, full.
No, why full? You can omit something.
Ma'am, full answer we have to
No.
write ourselves.
I'm not saying you to write the full paragraph. Now listen, I will read out. Take a pencil in your hand. Take a pencil in your hand and underline what I'm reading. And what I'm reading
Okay, ma'am.
will be the answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Nagaland forms the international boundary with Myanmar. Nagaland is home to many tribes. Rice, maize, millets, and potatoes grow here. Weaving and woodwork are the occupations that people follow. Okay. Weaving and woodwork are two occupations. You can write this. And the capital is Kohima. The Hornbill Festival is a famous festival or is a big tourist attraction.
Ma'am, the Hornbill Festival
Is a big tourist attraction. The Hornbill Festival is a big tourist attraction. Okay.
Ma'am, and weaving and woodwork are two occupations here.
Yes, are two occupations here.
Ma'am, please can you repeat the answer, ma'am?
Yes.
Because I was disconnected.
Okay, now listen to it carefully. Nagaland forms the international boundary with Myanmar. Nagaland is a home to many tribes. Rice, maize, millets, and potatoes are grown here. Weaving and woodwork are two occupations. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. And the last sentence, the Hornbill Festival is a big tourist attraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Varun, are you sitting in the sun and doing your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Very good. So Varun is absorbing which vitamin from the sun, children?
Ma'am, vitamin D.
Ma'am, vitamin D.
Very nice. Very good.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D.
You know how important it is for our bones?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it makes our bones strong.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if we do not absorb sunlight, we will become, ma'am, our height
Ma'am,
will
we-
become.
Yes.
ma'am.
And it is sunlight is the best source, and the morning sun rays are very good for vitamin D. So Varun is doing a real good job for himself. He's doing 2 in 1. He's studying also and he's taking sunlight also.
Ma'am, I cannot. Ma'am, I can also do
Yes,
this. Ma'am,
even I can, but I
ma'am,
cannot.
ma'am, but there is laptop.
Yes, same here. Even I want to sit in the sun, but I cannot.
Yes,
Ma'am, I cannot also, ma'am, because the sun rays on the mobile and I cannot see that what is.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can do this, but from my laptop, I cannot
But
take it.
I
We
am
can't
also
take it
attending
on
the
the
classes.
terrace. Anyways, that is why we sit indoor and do study. Okay, everybody please write down question number 2 and raise your hand. Lakshita, you want to say something? You're raising your hand.
Ma'am, I have a network problem and I leave. Can you speak the question number 2 again?
Anshuman. Is that Anshuman asking?
Yes, ma'am. I because of network problem, I leave the meeting.
Okay, beta. Now listen to question number 2 once again.
Ma'am, I have done.
You've got pencil in your hand, Anshuman.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Start underlining what I'm reading. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Nagaland forms the international boundary with Myanmar. Nagaland is a home to many tribes. Rice, maize, millets, and potatoes are grown here. Weaving and woodwork are two occupations. The capital is Kohima. The Hornbill Festival is a big tourist attraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this much answer.
Yes, because it's a long answer and you have to write a note on it. So at least in a note, there should be 5 points, at least 5 points.
Please repeat the question.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Everybody do it and then raise your hand.
Ma'am,
Yes.
repeat the answer.
Who is making me repeat so many times? The answer is Nagaland forms the international boundary with Myanmar. Nagaland is home to many tribes. Rice, maize, millets, and potatoes are grown here. Weaving and woodwork are two occupations. And the capital is Kohima. And the last sentence, the Hornbill Festival is a big tourist attraction. Fine?
Ma'am, I have seen when Agrim is screen share. Ma'am, I have seen in Agrim's world he plays ma'am PUBG.
Who?
Ma'am, Agrim.
Agrim is playing PUBG.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please send the full answer.
Ma'am, when he has screen shared.
All right. Now, Anshuman, what do you want?
Ma'am, it is not done.
Anshuman, I have not written this answer because I have told that this answer has to be written by you only. You will write it on your own. I have helped you out with what you have to write. Now look into the book and see from there and write.
I have done.
Those
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay. Abhimanyu, what
Ma'am?
about you? Are you writing? I can't see you writing. And children, all other children, please put your cameras on. Krishna has left the meeting.
Ma'am,
Okay, Krishna is there. Krishna, Devansh, Iramnaz, Devarya, Rachit, Jayesh, Ashvik, Lakshita, Anshuman, Prasun, Varin, Utsav. That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am here.
Ma'am, today's classes are over so fast. Yes,
Ma'am,
Today
Ma'am?
the classes are getting over so fast. Okay?
Ma'am, ma'am, please type the full answer in chat box. Ma'am, when the time you were telling in the book, ma'am, I was disconnected.
No, beta, I will not type. Now you have your book before you. Do you have it now?
Ma'am, I was disconnected when you were telling, so I can't underline, ma'am, please.
Okay, I will make you underline once again. Now underline.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Ma'am,
keep saying yes after each line. Nagaland forms the international boundary with Myanmar.
Yes, ma'am.
Nagaland is a home to many tribes.
Yes, ma'am.
Rice, maize, millets, and potatoes are grown here.
Yes,
Weaving
ma'am.
and woodwork are two occupations. The
Yes, ma'am.
capital is Kohima.
Yes, ma'am.
The Hornbill Festival is a big tourist attraction. Now write
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Apart from Devarya,
Ma'am,
all
I have
others
written.
have written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anshuman, have you written better?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Then what is the next question?
Ma'am, write a note on the national parks in Assam.
List the tourist attractions you have read about in each state and write the state to.
No, ma'am. The question is write a note on the national parks in Assam.
I thought we are on question number 4.
Ma'am, we are
Question
on
number 3. Question number 3 is write a note on the national parks in Assam. Now, how many national parks have we studied about?
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, the Kaziranga and ma'am,
Manas National Park. Ma'am, Manas National
yes,
Park.
ma'am.
But there are 5 national parks, right?
In Assam. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
There are 5 national parks, but we have read about only 2 national parks. Then you have to tell, okay, children, I'm again speaking out the answer. Please underline.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, please wait.
Yes, waiting.
Now you can start.
Assam has 5 national
Please
parks.
wait.
No, Devarya,
Ma'am, please
first you
tell the
underline. Start
Please tell the
underlining.
answer again.
Assam has 5 national parks. Kaziranga and Manas national parks are
Ma'am,
2 of the most visited national parks. Or if you want to change your line, you can say they are the 2 most famous parks. Okay? Kaziranga and Manas national parks are the 2 most famous parks. Kaziranga is famous for its one-horned rhinoceros, and Manas Wildlife Sanctuary has a tiger and elephant reserve. That's all.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. And children, if you get a picture of one-horned rhinoceros, you can stick the picture. Okay, if you find a picture, paste a picture under this answer.
This answer on the white page.
Right. On the blank page, you can stick.
Blank white page. Assam has five. This one was short.
This one was?
Yes, ma'am. Short.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this one is short.
This one is short.
Has five national parks. Kaziranga. Kaziranga and Manas National. I have done question number 3.
I have 10.
Everyone has done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
nice.
ma'am.
I'm done.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm on last time. इसलिए होता है. Tourist. Daddy, अम्मा, दादा.
अच्छा लग रहा है? तेल वेल लगा दिया मैंने बहुत.
Everybody has done, ma'am. Can we start the question 4?
Everyone has done?
No, ma'am. I'm writing. No, ma'am. No, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You have read about in each state.
Write down question number 2.
Ma'am, question 4.
Oh, everyone has done this? Write down question number 4
Ma'am,
now.
writing. Ma'am, please wait writing. Ma'am, writing question number 3.
3?
Ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, I have written question number 4.
Now start writing the answer from the chat box. Question number 4 is, list the tourist attractions you have read about in each state. Write the state to which they belong. Now let's begin the answer from here. There are various tourist attractions in the Northeast region. Then let's name each state and its tourist attraction along with it. Like Arunachal Pradesh, we have the Tawang Monastery and the Namdapha National Park. Now children, please ignore the spellings of Tawang. I have D has come in place of G. Okay? The Tawang Monastery and which one? The Namdapha National Park. And Assam has Kaziranga and Manas National Park. Then from Nagaland, what do we have? The tourist attraction. Tell me, what is the tourist attraction from Nagaland? It is not any place, but it is a
Hornbill
festival.
Festival.
Yes, the Hornbill Festival. Then what from the state of Manipur?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am telling.
Yes, the
Ma'am, classical Manipuri dance.
ma'am,
No.
classical Manipuri dance.
Classical Manipuri dance. They are all very.
Ma'am, rice.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
tea,
rice.
coffee, rubber, ma'am, candle.
Ma'am, fresh lake. Ma'am, fresh lake.
Yes.
Ma'am, fresh
It's
water lake.
the Loktak Lake.
Lake.
Lake is the Loktak
fresh
Lake,
lake.
children.
नहीं
Yes.
एक मिनट बोल पहना पहना सारे गंदे हो जाएंगे ना पैर अभी तेल लगाया है सीरियसली ना अभी वो लगाया है ना तेल सारे गंदे हो जाएंगे धूल मिट्टी लग जाएगी सारे में
Varun, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, these are some famous tourist attractions from these states. Rest, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and Sikkim. They don't have any such tourist attractions.
Ma'am, ma'am, in the Meghalaya there is a Maisanaram village. Ma'am, it is a tourist attraction or not?
No.
Ma'am, it is the wettest place.
Yes, it is the wettest place.
Okay.
It will never attract any tourists, I believe, because nobody would like to go in such a wet place.
Ma'am, the soil of that Manisvaram, ma'am, wet place, ma'am, it will so, ma'am, ma'am, quicksand. Ma'am, your audio is.
We'll slip on it. It would be so slippery.
Ma'am, so we can skate on it.
Yeah. Children, the class is getting over in 2 minutes.
Ma'am, in that place we cannot even skate, ma'am, because if we do skating, ma'am, our shoes or skates will be get inside this soil.
Yes, that kind of skating has to be done bare feet. You'll only be bare feet and you will skid on it. It's not for skating, it's for skidding. What is skidding? You run in full speed and then you take a kind of you like try to stop yourself and skid, like how you do in the school corridors, children.
Why it is so, ma'am? Why it is so wet?
Ma'am, I always do on my tiles of our home.
Yes, everybody does. All children do this thing. Even we have done in our childhood. Running
Ma'am,
in
why it
full.
is so wet? Ma'am, why it is so wet?
What is so wet? Monsoon, Ram.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it gets the heaviest rains.
Ma'am, but in India, there is a state that has, ma'am, so rainfall.
Ma'am, Cherrapunji.
Yes, ma'am.
Cherrapunji comes after this place. All right, children, time to say you all a goodbye.
Ma'am, please wait.
Take a screenshot. Hurry up and take a screenshot.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Bye.
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I am just taking screenshot, ma'am. Please wait.
Okay.
Ma'am, tagged.
Taken, not tagged.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye to
Bye,
all
ma'am.
of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.